Hi, this is Melvin again. I'd like to speak to y'all about something serious for a moment. Not that my ribs from Melvin's Mouthwatering Mississippi Barbecue House Barbecue ain't serious eating. I'm gonna tell you about the heartache of not being able to conceive. Now, I know some of y'all's got so many children, the welfare office think you be stealing your neighbor's kids. But believe it or not, there be people out there that actually want kids, and they ain't got none. Well, if all y'all's one of them poor souls, Melvin's House of Conception is the answer to your prayers. Here at Melvin's House of Conception, you'll receive a personal evaluation from the most trained expert on our staff. That'd be me. I'm gonna be with you every step of the process. And that process gonna be easy, because I don't bother with no turkey basters or nothing like that. I get you pregnant the old-fashioned way, by drinking some Colt 45, listening to a little Barry White, and getting jiggy in the comfort of my bedroom. And at Melvin's House of Conception, your conception is guaranteed. If y'all don't get pregnant the first time, I'm gonna take you back to the bedroom for a more intensive treatment. Imagine how much more better life gonna be with little Melvin of your own. And for a limited time, mention Melvin's Mouthwatering Mississippi Barbecue House Barbecue, and you get a pint of Melvin's Mouthwatering Mississippi Barbecue House Barbecue beans with every impregnation. Melvin's House of Conception. We right down the street from Melvin's Mouthwatering Mississippi Barbecue House Barbecue and Melvin's Big House Bail Bonds. Melvin's House of Conception. Ain't that right about?